versus San Diego Wave Friday, April the 19th at Interco Stadium.
Temperatures falling tomorrow afternoon to 8 degrees. The rain paving the way for a cooler weekend. Saturday, a high of 10 degrees, a bit warmer Sunday, 15.
On a piece of paper, the judge goes over all of those. But it can also include, it could have said, and by the way, this gag order is now part of your release condition.
That's right.
So that if there's a violation, it doesn't mean you necessarily will go to jail,
Yeah.
but...
Ah! Oh!
Maybe A's lawyer did a bad job of litigating the suit. Maybe the jury found A smug and unlikable. Our basic commitment to due process generally means
Turns, what a fucking idiot. It's like, there are these little, like, tourism things at...
Because you can't fucking... These people... I have a lot of empathy for someone who sends out a dodgy tweet when they were a kid. Yeah. You know, I wasn't supportive of Roseanne Barr. I thought that one was a bit much, personally, and now other people are. And at the time, now I look back on it and I'm like, because I had a TV show, so we spoke out again.
Oh my God. Just...
Oh, that person pulled him off.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. See? He would have hit us.
That were under Brandon, and that was one of the cash.
You know, Sean, you told me a story, and correct me if I'm wrong, about where you shot the pilot.
You could see it like in their hands, they were like just let me, oh, this baby, like just put one little finger. Yeah, I think some of the things I was really surprised about. I knew you were.
Oh yeah. Dumbass about it.
Roberto! Over!